Mic check, mic check. Yes. You can hear me? Okay. So, me I look over here so, or this so, or over this so? Okay. Me get it, me get it. You think me and your size little bit me? If you not talk cry, me I will give you something for cry for. Come here. You see how your room look chaka chaka? Let me tell you something. You better go clean it up this evening. You hear? How you can chat so? You papa dentist? If you can't hear, you must feel. Take the dog see mama make him out so long. He say, come you will see. Kick broken in your ears. Let me tell you something. Two bull can't rain in a one pen. Tap run up and down. You think you're born in a stable? This documentary has now come to a conclusion because you and I knows that if we were to continue, or if I was to continue talking about everything I grew up in a Jamaican household hearing, we could never document all of them in this documentary. So we will have to continue this documentary in another documentary.